If you're excited about upgrading to Windows 11 but running into issues, you're not alone. With Windows 10 support ending in 2025, now's the perfect time to make the switch, but the upgrade process isn't always smooth. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons why you can't upgrade to Windows 11 and show you how to fix them step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tech tips and tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. Part 1. Why can't you upgrade to Windows 11? First, let's talk about why you might be unable to upgrade to Windows 11. The most common reasons include your PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements like TPM 2.0, secure boot, or sufficient RAM. Your hardware is incompatible, for example, an older CPU or insufficient storage. Software or driver conflicts, outdated drivers or incompatible apps can block the upgrade. Windows update issues sometimes, the upgrade just won't show up due to a glitch. Don't worry, we'll tackle each of these issues one by one. Part 2. Check system requirements. Microsoft has some minimum system requirements for computers that want to upgrade to Windows 11, as shown in the list below. I will put the link to this official Microsoft page in the description area for everyone to check out. To check your current specs, right-click the Windows button, go to Settings, go to System, and then go to About. This will give you details about your processor, RAM, and other hardware. Of course, if your device is already running Windows 10, you can use the PC Health Check app to assess compatibility. Click here to download and run it to see if your device is compatible. Once done, click on the Check Now button to continue, and it will pop up a window telling you the results. Part 3. Alternative options. If you still get the error code and are at a loss, here's a very simple upgrade method you can try. 4DDiG Partition Manager is a reliable Windows partition management tool. It can easily check if your PC could be updated to Windows 11 for free and can bypass Windows 11 requirements within one click. Of course, you can use it clone your entire hard drive to back up your data or upgrade to a larger hard drive without data loss. Launch 4DDiG Partition Manager on your computer. Choose Windows Download and Upgrade on the sidebar. Click Windows 11 Upgrade. Click Detect and Upgrade. Here you can see the problems your computer has. Click Next, and 4DDiG will help you avoid some Windows upgrade flaws. Select the language and click Start. This is easy. Give it a try. Hope this video is helpful to you. I will be grateful if you subscribe. See you next time.